Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will be essential for safely opening and repairing your laptop. Start by powering off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if possible. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep these screws organized, as they can be easy to lose. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. It's essential to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use a can of compressed air to clear out dust from the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, locate the motherboard. Carefully unplug any cables connected to it and remove the screws securing it to the chassis. Take your time during this step to avoid damaging any components. If the motherboard is stuck, gently wiggle it free rather than forcing it out. Once removed, inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you have the necessary skills, you can attempt to repair minor damages with soldering. However, if you're not confident in your abilities, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can get expert advice on your repair options. Assuming the motherboard needs replacement, look for the exact model online or through authorized retailers. Before purchasing, if you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Once you have the new motherboard, install it by reversing the removal steps. Secure it with screws, reconnect all cables, and ensure everything is firmly in place. Before you close the back panel, it's wise to perform a test run. Reconnect the battery and power on the laptop to check if it boots successfully. If you don't have the tools or confidence to perform this repair yourself, keep in mind we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of traveling or making calls. Simply schedule an appointment, and we take care of the rest. After confirming that the laptop powers on correctly, turn it off and proceed to replace the back panel. Secure it with the screws you previously organized. Finally, clean your workspace and ensure all tools are accounted for. With this step, you're ready to enjoy your repaired Lenovo IdeaPad 320-15 IKB. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.